Side review we're dealing with. Test light. Test light. It's ground. 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 A bit of a delay. Really delayed. I'm actually forcing it down. So let's just go check over here. So we have us a bad ground here to the block and to the chassis of the vehicle. So let's just check out on the engine block. Customer mentioned that this started happening after getting into an accident. Another ground area here. I can actively reach. Chassis, nothing. PCM case is grounded, which is good at least. See, I'm probing that in there. We're stabbing down now. There's no ground. There's no ground.